Working with databases that are both already existing online and creating your own is definitely something that I find very fascinating. It's a lot of fun to see all those numbers and data, just be able to manipulate it into finding answers to your questions and creating a story from data into applying it. Arizona State University offers multiple tracks for their data science program, one of which is biology, which was right up my alley. Biology was the one I went with because it's one of my passions from when I was younger. I ideally would like to go into the biomedical field, preferably neuroscience. Talking with the professors with both biology and data science experience has been very key for what I want to do, I feel. My experience with the faculty and the program made me have all the more passion for what I am learning and what I want to do. Arizona State University is big on making sure that you have the skills you need to succeed, and they make sure that you are well-versed in your field. They want you to succeed. They want you to understand the content you are learning.